Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs tour. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2024 Sabre 37FLH fifth wheel. We're going to take a few minutes to run you through the inside and outside of this beautiful fifth wheel, kind of show you what this thing's all about. We're going to start off here on the inside and then we'll come on back to the outside for you. So stepping up inside right here, we have a front living room setup. So you have your TV across the front area right there, electric fireplace, which is basically a fancy electric space heater. There is two opposing slide out sofas here. Both of these will flip out and make into beds, so you could sleep some guests up here. Electric outlet USB charger ports up here. You also have some storage, lots of counter space there. Theater seat directly across from your TV area. There is heat and massage built in, little light up cup holder, and some lights below there as well. I forgot to turn on. Couple speakers up here in the ceiling. You have AC ducts up here as well. The unit does have a ceiling fan. So they did some change up for the 2024 version. A little bit of changing in some wood color, flooring color, and stuff like that. Not anything real major, but mostly cosmetic. You have that large Everchill 12-volt fridge, Furrion oven, 3-burner cooktop, large microwave as well. Gonna have a nice pantry right here. Full extending ball bearing drawer guided drawers. Now I have videoed this model a few different times and a lot more depth in a couple of those videos. So if you're looking for some more serious info, I would definitely check out last year's version. Again, mostly just cosmetic changes, but I wanted to get this out here to show you what the new 2024 looks like. Solid surface countertops down here as well. You'll notice that slide floor material matches the main subfloor, so it kind of gives it that continuous look. Freestanding style dinette. Now the dinette is actually attached to the wall, so really freestanding chairs, but it does eliminate that middle post that bumps your knee all the time. They are still using the pull down zebra style shades. High-rise spring sprayer faucet. I like the little accent lighting and stuff. Right here, you're going to have your half bath area. Foot flush toilet. There's a vent fan and stuff in here as well. AC duct. So if you do have a guest at nighttime, they could come in here and use the bathroom without having to go into your bedroom area. Back into your main bedroom. The bed will raise up. There's storage underneath of there as well. That second AC is also back here, again ducted as well. TV hookups up there. Now down here is going to be an outside kitchen. You'll see that when we get out there. You have a huge bathroom in this model. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a lot of money if you're looking for a camper like this. And also, if you don't mind, if you're interested, please hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button as well. This is a really nice option here if you're going to extended stay or try to full-time in a unit like this, having that stackable washer dryer. If you don't do that option, it's just a big closet. There's a little motion sensor right there to turn on that light. On-demand water heater controls there and fan controls as well. Digital thermostat for your second AC. There's another digital thermostat up front for your propane furnace and your main AC as well. Little shoe nook down there, electric box with the breakers and fuses down there. And then you do have this little control panel right here as well. Has some different things as far as like your slide out, some lights and things, your awning buttons all controlled right here. It's got a little voltmeter. You have your light switches up here as well, water pump, and then your holding tank and battery meter here. So a little bit of control stuff right here. Let's step out here and check out the outside real quick. Now walking out the RV, you do have those heavy duty MORryde solid entrance step there. It's rated for 500 pounds, come down, touches the ground. Just kind of helps keep that RV from rocking and rolling when you're running in and out. Now this year they went with kind of a white bottom metal skirting. So you have your standard fiberglass, graphics stayed about the same, but they did away with the black lower metal and went to a white lower metal. So that's going to be one of the differences that you'll see on the outside. There is the little pet-friendly leash latch holder back here as well. One of your propane tanks also back there. Nice size storage compartment area here. You have an electric outlet, cable outlet, light switch in here as well. You can see some of that aluminum tube framing also. They did do that black glass style entry door. It does have the window in there and it's Lippert thin shade ready. There's an aftermarket shade you can buy for that if you want. Large folding entry handle here. Nice size power awning with an LED light on each arm. And then it has a manual override in the front arm head. The slide outs are electric slides, so you push a button to take them in and out. You have dual axle, drum brakes, easy lube hubs, aluminum wheels. The unit also has a 4-point electric auto level jack system on it. Back here, you're going to have the little outside kitchen area here. So you have your mini fridge, you do have a hot and cold sink area right here. There's also a charger port for a Bluetooth speaker by Driven. It does not actually come with the speaker. I wish it did, but they, I guess, give that really to the RV manufacturer in order to try and get you to buy their product. So the factory puts that in there. There's a gas line hookup down below right here, so you could plug in a portable grill. You're also going to have another pet-friendly leash latch holder back here as well, and then one of the dump handles back here also. Now the unit has a traditional flat back fiberglass rear end. There is a 2-inch hitch receiver on the back. It's basically meant for like a bike rack. It is not meant to tow anything with. It is prepped in the top right corner for a portable stow and go ladder by Lippert. Nice telescoping ladder you might consider if you ever need to get up and down on and off your roof. Just collapse it down, throw it in a storage compartment, and you don't have to worry about any kids climbing up there and getting hurt. Has a rear observation camera already on it. It's a nice feature, works off a phone app, allowing you to see what's going on behind you. Detachable 50-amp power cord here. Now there's a dryer vent right here. If you don't do that washer dryer option, you won't have that. There are some dump tanks down below here coming out. Couple different handles. Another major change for them was they went to the BAL frame system, which is a really nice Huck bolt frame system. So that was another pretty good sized change for 2024. Another little dump area right here with a couple more handles. Stove exhaust vent out there. Furnace exhaust out here. You have your on-demand water heater controls right here. You're going to have in this compartment gravity fill fresh water tank, city water. You have black tank flushes for your 2 bathrooms, winterization valve, water heater bypass, hot and cold outside utility shower, and then some cable satellite inlets up here. Controls here for your landing gear or auto level system. There is another propane tank right here. Looks like they are using the 20-pound propane tanks. Auto changeover regulator. Important info stuff right here. We have a dry weight of 12,197 pounds, exterior length 43 feet. ST 235 80R16 E-range tires, 80 PSI cold, make sure you keep up with that. This camper, for example, was built 12/7 of 23 with a gross vehicle weight of 14,665 pounds. So that's the most you can load it up to, axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Don't exceed that. Nice fiberglass front shell here. It does have a couple different LED light strips built into it. Spare tire up here out of the way. Solar charge controller in there. A couple batteries in there, battery disconnect. The front cap light switch also over here. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch my RV videos. Again, if you're looking for more detailed, check out last year's video on this model. Again, be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Thanks again.